Greetings, YouTube. I thought I'd make a video blue line Bigfoot style. Yakety, clackety, smackety, chicken-lickety, yeah, look at all this cool stuff out here. We got the cool flowers coming up this summer. Yeah, we planted a bunch of them in the flower bed. It's been refixed, it's been refabricated. It's ready to go. Do you like the cool little flowers? Let me know. Let me know in the clickety-clackety comments below there, Betty Rowe. Don't ask me the name of the random flowers that we planted. I forgot. They had really cool names, like morning dildos and happy glory flowers. You know, I think this is the famous morning glory hole. You know, everybody loves a good morning glory hole. That's the name of this flower. It's the morning glory hole. And this one we named the tainted cunt. Yeah, it's a tainted cunt. It's tainted because it's got the tainted cunt look to it. Do you like the cool flowers of summer? I love the cool flowers of summer. I'm glad it's summertime's getting here. Ah! Yeah, she looks vicious, don't she? Well, Pilgrim, I think this video's all over the place. There must be something wrong with that guy. Well, doggy. Oh my! You ever notice that she looks like the lady from Midnight Watchers? Midnight Sasquatch Watchers? What's the name of that channel? Mr. Owl became target practice. He pissed me off. What cool flowers, yay! That's right, guys. Summer's in the air. I hope you enjoyed my quick look through the mind of Danny. Yeah, that's what's going on today. I'm watching the seasons change. I'm watching the trees spout buds. I'm chilling with my cool dogs. And a few other things. Till next time, this is Danny Staten. On the Danny Staten channel, maybe? Blog over, dudes.